Behind Sinus Iridum, on top you have white, very white, long geometrical shapes that look like structures that could be just like warehouses. And why am I saying warehouses? It's just so that you know the shape of these buildings. It's literally like a warehouse, and that's what we're looking for. But I was able to bring the other little structures out, well, further structures out, because this is so far back behind Sinus Iridum. Right here, and I'm getting a bluish color from them all. There are lots of them on the ridge. They're all jumbled together, massive, massive city. And we're going to try to get in a little closer. We might not be able to with this photo. I'm going to have to probably go back and get another one. We're getting snowstorms here for weeks. So let's try to get in a little closer to give you a bit of an idea of where this is. So Sinus Iridum is down here. And behind Sinus Iridum, to give you an idea how close we are, well, you don't usually see that at the top of the moon, now do you? Why? Because the camera picks this up as being just a little mound, and it won't show the facade. Often, even for me sometimes. But I know it's there.
I started looking at these shapes, and I said, well, it's funny that it can't be just pixels on the edge, the outer limits. You'd see this throughout the whole surface if it was pixels, and no, I'm not. This is nothing. I found the most clearest and two symmetrical shapes exactly the same. The best find I've ever found in my life. It looks like a humongous castle on the top backside of the moon, the north side.
I just find something. We're really enhanced now. I even have some pixelation at the bottom of this photo now that I've enhanced it, over-enhanced it. You could see some nice structures coming out, but I can also recognize the very symmetrical pixelation and the square pixelation now. Nice graph destroyed the photo. Brought out this nice green section at the back with a light emanating from this massive castle-like structure with two geometrical massive buildings on top of it, placed on a massive platform-like object that was constructed with a lot of greenery and details all along the bottom. Each side of this, we have blue structures that look like glass structures at the north end side of the moon, right behind Sinus Iridum, straight as an arrow, straight upwards. Let's get in there and see even closer. This is where we're going right here. You can't see it. I can see it. Beautiful. Wait till you see it. Damn, this is going to be nice. I'm getting this out right away. Look at that doozy. Have you ever seen a structure that perfect? No, there's something there, guys. Very geometrical. Greenery at the bottom. Over this platform and blue emanating light that's actually clarifying this beautiful structure. This is the nicest and most intriguing, mysterious structure I've ever seen on the surface of the moon. This is absolutely amazing, and that's nothing. There are hundreds of structures all around this massive castle-like structure. Literally looks like an arch door with two massive cement blocks on the top that you'd enter a castle, right? This is pretty intense. Behind Sinus Iridum, north side of the moon, outer edges, outer limits of the moon. Look at that. That's amazing. Right there on that platform-like object there. Wow. Way back there. So mysterious. I mean, talk about incredible. Okay? You want to talk about structures? There we go. Here's the nicest, most geometrically shaped structure you will ever see on the moon. It's at the back side, behind Sinus Iridum. And this structure is one of many because just around it, many other structures just like it, all here. But I have to work hard at getting them out. This spot came out by itself because it's cleared. It's lit by the structure underneath, or the sun or whatever reflecting on that. I mean, that's just incredible right there. Look at it. Like a literal big Lego block for babies. Those big Lego blocks with the two dots on top that you could put the Legos one over the other. You see it? Looking at a castle or what? Holy smokes. Talk about geometrical. So this is on the moon. We are on the moon, so just right here, again, a very geometrical shape. I told you all the coordinates behind Sinus Iridum. To the left of that massive crater, just stuck right there on the top. It's big enough. I mean, it's not hard to see. It's very hard to see, but it's there. Look at that. Just look at it, guys. I think I got myself another video. Look at this structure. I'm sorry, I'm mesmerized at it. It's so geometrical that, see, I know for a fact that these structures underneath here, or platforms, etc., so along me, they are built. And it's an amazing thing, guys. It is an amazing thing that we could be from somewhere else, or that there could be some other people elsewhere that exist. This is just incredible. Guys, why don't we go look at this with the magnifying glass? I was able to re-enhance it just a little bit to show you guys that underneath that beautiful structure, or structures that we see, there are more. Look, isn't that awesome? In the back, in the dark, on the moon, do you understand? See how high that is off the surface right here? Look where I'm finding them, guys. It's not floating, it's not a planet, it's literally part of this structure right here. Isn't that incredible?
Dum da da dum 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 da da dum 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 da da dum 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 da da.